This video we're going through how to answer exam question 2 on time. So the first thing I want to do is highlight the important information. So she books the room for 6:30 to midnight. There we are. She makes some notes about the party. So she has an hour and a half to get ready. She has the reception and drinks are going to be 45 minutes. Eat the meal for an hour. One speech is going to be 20 minutes, and then dancing for 2 hours. Has she booked enough time? So we need to figure out if from 6:30 to midnight is going to be enough for all of that. Now, there are a couple of ways you can do this question. The first one being that you start with 6:30 and you're going to add on the timings of everything to see if they all add up. Again, slightly different ways of doing this itself. You can go through the list, so you can add an hour and a half to this. So if I add the half an hour first, that will take me up to 7 p.m. Then I add my hour, which will take me up to 8. Then 45 minutes for drink, so plus 45, take me up to 8:45. Then plus an hour for the speech, the meal, sorry, be 9:45. Plus 20 minutes the speech would take me up to 10:05. And then plus the 2 hours for the dancing would take me up to. So if I'm keeping it how I have been, it would be midnight, like that. Now that means she's 5 minutes over. So has she booked enough time? No. She needs to maybe have the reception and drinks for 40 minutes instead, or maybe cut 5 minutes off that speech because I have a heck of a long speech there. Now, the other way of doing this, and both ways are completely valid, is that you know the start time is 6:30, and then you have all of this time in the middle. So what you might do is add all those times together. So I might start with the hours. So I have 1 hour here, have an hour here, and have 2 hours there. So 1 plus 1 plus 2 is 4 hours. And then I take all my minutes. So I have 30 minutes plus 45 minutes plus 20 minutes. Now that is going to equal sorry, my cat's just getting in the way. It's going to be 95 minutes. So if I convert 95 minutes into hours, I'd be doing 95 divided by 60. Or I can think of it as if I do 95 take away 60, it's going to be 35. So it's actually 1 hour and 35 minutes. So I can add my hours together again. So 4 plus, let me do that 4 again. 4 plus 1 more hour is going to be 5 hours with the remaining 35 minutes. So the total time is 5 hours, 35 minutes. And I would add that on to our 6:30. And I will get the same time as we did before. So even if I add that on now, 6:30 plus 35 minutes would be 7:05 plus 5 hours. So 7 plus 5 is going to be 12, which will be midnight on a 24-hour clock. So I know that's going to be 5 minutes too long. If you have any other questions, comments, or concerns about this question, please don't hesitate to email me and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you.